Holden Commodore. Holden has revealed first images and more details of the all-new Holden Commodore ahead of its Australian launch early in 2018. The next-gen Commodore takes cutting-edge safety, driving and infotainment technology and makes it available for today's Australians, everywhere. The next-generation Holden Commodore is democratizing technology. Now with images of the next Commodore breaking cover, Australia gets its first look at the sleek and sophisticated design that will be hitting Australian roads in 2018. Designed in Germany by the Opel team with input from GM Holden's team, the new Commodore takes the best of Europe and makes it great for Australia. Building on information released last month regarding the next-generation Commodore, Holden has today confirmed a raft of premium technologies will make Commodore the most technologically advanced Holden ever. From potentially life-saving safety technology features, to active driving technology and seamless infotainment, the all-new Commodore will make driving safer, easier, more involving and more connected than ever before for Australian customers. Customers are expecting more of their vehicles than never before, said Holden's Executive Director of Sales, Peter Colley. The all-new 2018 Commodore redefines the level of technology people can expect, and how tech can help our customers be safer, more involved and more connected than never before. The Commodore combines technology across a number of areas in a way that you would usually only find in high-end prestige vehicles and makes it available for everyday Australians. Combined with the howling V6, world-first all-wheel drive system and all the on-road performance you expect from the Commodore, this is a car that ticks all the boxes and more, said Mr. Colley.